Hello friends, welcome to this session of learning R programming, and in this session we are going to learn how to code in script window. To get a new script, we'll go to file menu, click new file and click R script, and there this new script is there. We'll save that script and I will create a new folder that working in script, and in this folder my file will be script save. Now this file will get stored. I will go to this one and working in script, this folder is there and this is the script R file. We'll go to R Studio again and we'll start working there. As a practice, this is not essential for this session, but as a practice I type in the comment here hash. Please remember, hash starts a comment and this statement will not be interpreted or evaluated by R. It is not for computer, but it is for our own reading. I keep there for what purpose I am writing this script. The script for beginners, I will give the name here, and again I will save that. In the script we can write code on these lines. 3 multiplied by 4 is the first code we will write, and to run this my cursor is there on this line. I will click the run button and a code will run. I will type another one, 4 multiplied by 7, and not multiplied this time, we'll go for that division one, 4 divided by 7, and we'll run that. Another operator for division is this one, 7, and we'll run that. That 0 is there. This is for quotient. That 2%, this operator also will try, and this operator is for remainder. These 4 lines we have wrote. Okay. Now we will write a little more code. We'll create an object radius, and to this object we'll assign this assignment operator, which we have discussed in previous session. Equal to operator is not good. This equal to operator is not good, therefore don't use that. Make a habit of using this assignment operator, and to get this assignment operator, the shortcut key is alt plus that minus, and this keyboard key is there to get this assignment operator. And here I will type 1 to 25. This many radii are there, and I have just placed my cursor here, and then I used a keyboard shortcut again to run this, and that keyboard shortcut is control enter. Hold the control key and press enter. This will run, and this is very handy shortcut. To see what is there in radius, I typed the name of the radius, object radius, and will run that. And this object has 25 values, and you can see that object here also. It's an integer type object. We'll see data type in later videos, and 25 values are there. And we'll write a code to calculate area for that. We'll create object area, the assignment operator, and we'll assign a formula pi multiplied by radius and square. Pi multiplied by radius square. This is for raising the using exponent. We are raising this radius to power 2. We'll run that. Just press control enter, and to see area I will click here to see area. Okay. This is how we work in script. I will write another one, plot iris. Okay. This is code to get a plot. That plot is there. Okay. Another object also I will type. This iris dataset is bundled in R. Please remember, R has many dataset bundled with it. One dataset is tooth growth, and if you see I typed some letters of that tooth growth, I will type again, and help will be there, tooth growth, and here in yellow box help is there. Okay. I will run this tooth growth, plot tooth growth, and we can see the tooth growth. Another plot also we'll see, women. Women is also dataset bundled with R, and we'll run this line. Just press control enter or go to run. You can run any of these lines in any sequence. I can run this again, 4 to 7. I will run this again. Just I have to take cursor on this line and run that. And another thing to remember, that R is a case sensitive language. If you type P with uppercase, plot, and this command will not be understood by R, because R is case sensitive language, and this P is not a lowercase letter, it's a uppercase letter. For radius also, if I type radius with R capital, radius, and run that, okay, R will not understand that, because R is a case sensitive language. Please remember this. Okay. And that's all for this session. Do practice R using script window, as well as you can go for the console also. In script window, if you want to save your code for later use, this script is very essential, and don't forget to save that. If you have liked this video, please click the like button. Your likes will make this video more searchable, will appear more in search, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed yet, and press bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching.